Hello, Benjamin.
Hi.
How are you?
Great.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna read my book on super space.
What it is about?
Space.
Ah. And what are the things that you're gonna read?
I'm gonna read this page. This is the first page I'm gonna read. Then this one. Then maybe if you want, I can read about the Milky Way, the galaxy.
All right. So what are you gonna read
and
now?
Then I'm gonna read about M82. It's a double galaxy maybe. And then we'll see another. And then let's see. The Galaxia Remolino. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. You all know that the Andromeda galaxy is the closest galaxy to us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do it in Spanish.
Why?
Because the one who knows Spanish will know. And we will switch it into English when I finish.
And also the book that you're reading is in Spanish, isn't it?
Yeah, this book is in Spanish. Okay, let's start. La esplendorosa galaxia de Andrómeda es el objeto más lejano que puede verse a simple vista de la Tierra. Se formó hace unos 10.000 millones de años a partir de varias galaxias más pequeñas y contiene 1 billón de estrellas, más del doble que la Vía Láctea. En Andrómeda también hay unos 460 cúmulos globulares, cada uno con cientos de miles de estrellas, y a su alrededor orbitan varias galaxias más pequeñas atraídas por su poderoso campo gravitatorio. Se cree que en unos 4.000 millones de años la Andrómeda colisionará con la Vía Láctea y formará una galaxia gigante. Okay, now I am going to do it in English, but I don't know how to read it in English, because I don't know the words. So we could look for another book that's in English of space, and then I could read it in English. But this is Spanish, okay? Now, what is the closest? Okay, time of questions. You need to answer them correctly, or then you would need to do it again. What is the closest galaxy to our galaxy? You have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Andromeda.
and 5. Good job.
Thank you.
Now, you guys, if you want, you can answer the questions too. Okay. How many more globular clusters are there in Andromeda?
Well, I don't know. 10.
Oh, you need to do it again.
How about 100?
It's 460.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Now, what name would you think the galaxy that Andromeda and our galaxy will make? Yeah, 10 seconds. 10.
What name?
9. What name of the galaxy that
Supercluster.
No. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Milky Andromeda.
6, 5, 4,
Hey.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
What is the answer?
The answer is Milky Andromeda
Milky Andromeda.
or another name that I sure have heard it in the videos of another channel, but I don't remember it.
Okay, is there anything else that you would like to tell us?
Okay, now we're gonna do this part.
What is that?
De un vistazo. Okay, let's start. De un vistazo. The Andromeda galaxy is a spiral galaxy. The distance from the Earth to Andromeda is 2,54 million of light years. Magnitude 3,4. I don't know how to spell it in English, so discovered. The first mentioned that is known is the astronomer of Saudi Arabia. I don't know how to spell his name, but it was somebody in the year 964 in his book of Las Estrellas Fijas. Andromeda appears like a disc, like an oval disc, close to the Milky Way. You can see the Milky Way in a clear night sky with no clouds, nothing to disturb, only like in mountains with no lights. Like that you can see it. Look at the photo. Look, this is the Milky Way. We can only see a part of it, but this is not the Milky Way, this is Andromeda. And this is Andromeda, so tiny that we can't even see it, I think. Okay, now let's start with estadísticas y datos. Okay. In 1925, the astronomer of the United States, Edwin Hubble, showed that Andromeda is an independent galaxy, not a cloud of gas inside the Milky Way, how it was think. Hubble desarrolló a system to classify galaxies. Okay. Now, the diameter of the Andromeda is 220,000 light years in diameter, like this. If the Andromeda galaxy could never fit in a book.
Ah, obvious.
Yeah, obviously. Okay. Rumbo de colisión. Andromeda is getting closer to the Milky Way at 4,000,000 kilometers per hour. So fast, right? But up here that goes slowly. Okay, I'm gonna read you the last part of the Andromeda, but don't worry, we're gonna read some other pages. Okay, Espiral Gigante, the giant spiral. This image shows el precioso color natural of Andromeda. Its dense and bright nucleus is composed of all stars, and its arms in spiral have luminous young stars. Many galaxies more smaller than Andromeda orbit Andromeda, because you see in this photo that this is Andromeda. These things like these small pieces are mini galaxies. Okay, which page do you want to read now? The Sagittarius or the MA2? What? Why? Okay, bye. See you soon.